Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Interactive Broker's recurring investment. First, log into your account and navigate to the Trade menu. From there, select Recurring Investments to begin setting up your automated contributions. This feature allows you to consistently invest in your chosen assets, leveraging the power of dollar cost averaging over time. It's a straightforward way to build wealth systematically. Once you're in the Recurring Investments section, you'll select the specific stocks or exchange-traded funds you wish to include. Next, define your investment amount, perhaps $50 or $200, and choose the frequency, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Always take a moment to review all the parameters to ensure they align with your financial goals before confirming your new plan. Interactive Brokers makes managing your recurring investments simple. You can easily view all your active plans, making it straightforward to track your progress. If your financial situation changes, you have the flexibility to modify the investment amount or frequency. Furthermore, you can pause or completely cancel any recurring investment plan whenever you need to, giving you full control. Recurring investments are a powerful tool for long-term wealth building, promoting discipline and consistency in your financial journey. By automating your contributions, you reduce the emotional aspect of investing and benefit from dollar cost averaging, potentially leading to significant growth over many years. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals and to grab your little tree's black ice. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.